India's long-awaited second international airport is likely to come up in South Bengaluru. Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar on July 8 confirmed that the state government has decided on the broad region and will soon send its proposal to the centre. After a review meeting with Infrastructure Development Minister M.B. Patil and senior officials, Shivkumar said the government has asked officials to finalize the most suitable location by considering land cost, terrain and technical feasibility. He said the project should not lead to the displacement of entire villages. He said a few scattered houses could be compensated if required, but villages should not be relocated for the airport project. He also clarified that while the airport will be built in South Bengaluru, the exact site has not yet been finalized. The government had earlier shortlisted 3 locations for the project, 2 near Harohalli on Kanakpura Road and 1 near Nelamangala on Kunigal Road. Officials will now select the cost feasible location before submitting the proposal to the central government. The second airport is being planned to ease pressure on Kempegowda International Airport, which has become the country's 3rd busiest airport. In the state budget presented in March, the government had announced that a feasibility report would be prepared after technical consultation with the Airports Authority of India. AAI officials have already inspected all 3 shortlisted sites.